A garden trellis is not only functional but can also be a striking focal point in your garden. Here are some unique garden trellis ideas that can enhance your outdoor space. Using branches from your yard, create a rustic, natural looking trellis, arrange them in a squarish patterns and bind together with a twine or wire. So hello friends, welcome to our channel 90 ideas. So if you like these ideas, first of all like the video, click the subscribe, press the bell icon. This video share to your friends, family members. This type of trellis blends seamlessly into the garden, providing support for climbing plants while adding woodland charm. Old ladders, beds, frames, or bicycle wheels can be repurposed into creative trellises. An old wooden ladder leaned against a wall of fence can become excellent support for climbing roses or vines. Similarly, a vintage bed frame can add a visual touch of your garden, while bicycle wheels can be mounted on stacks from a circular trellis. For a modern and artist touch, consider using metal art piece as a trellis. Both iron steel structures with intricate designs can serve both as plant supports and also art installations. These durable trellises can withstand with elements and provide a unique backdrop from your plants. So if you are new here or if you like these ideas, please like the video, click the subscribe, press the like on this video, share to your friends, family members. Combine the concept of a trellis with a living wall by creating a vertical garden. Install a sturdy trellis structures against a wall and plants a variety of climbing plants. Such as EV jasmine or climates. Over time, plants will cover up trellises, creating a lush green walls that are both functional and beautiful. A minimalist approach of trellises can be achieved using striking or wire stringers or wires horizontally between two posts or frames, creating ladder-like structures. This method is a perfect for growing beans or the light fight climbers. It's all an expensive and easy to install options. Integrate flies into a pergola designed for a multifunctional garden features. The pergola's roof structure can support and heavy climbers like a wisteria or a grape pants, providing shade and beautiful floral company. This idea combines functionality with aesthetics appeal, making it a centerpiece of your garden. So if you like these ideas, first of all, like the video, click the subscribe, press the bell icon this video, share to your friends, also family members. For a contemporary garden, create slices with a geometrical shapes using wooden or metal strips to form triangles, hexagons, or the shapes and assemble them into a striking patterns. This type of slices add a modern touch of your garden and can be customized to fit any space. Crafting mosaic art in your slices designs. Attach colorful tiles, glass pieces, and other items. So if you like these ideas, first of all, like the video, click the subscribe, press the bell icon this video, share to your friends, family members. These unique garden slices ideas can enhance the beauty and functionality of your outdoor space, providing support for your plants while adding a character and charm of your garden. So thanks for joining us, thanks for watching video.